Gerald. Yes, Piggie? Gerald, why are we home in the middle of the day? Shouldn't we be in school? Well, yes, we do have to be home all day. What do you think we can do? I don't know, Gerald. What can we do? I'm bored. I know. We can read books. Yes, let's read books, Piggie. Let's read an Elephant and Piggie book. Okay, let's read my favorite. Which one is your favorite? My favorite is I Broke My Trunk. Okay, Piggie, but tomorrow we read my favorite. I Broke My Trunk by Mo Willems. I have not seen Gerald today. Why? Gerald, what happened to your trunk?
I broke my trunk.
How did you break your trunk?
It is a long, crazy story.
Tell it! Tell it!
Well, I was playing with Hippo. Then I had an idea. I wanted to lift Hippo onto my trunk.
Why?
Because.
Okay.
So I lifted Hippo onto my trunk. But a hippo on your trunk is heavy.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No, there is more to my story. Then Rhino showed up. Rhino wanted a turn.
What did you do?
I lifted both of them onto my trunk. But a hippo and a rhino on your trunk are very heavy.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No, there is more to my story. Then Hippo's sister showed up.
Hippo has a sister?
A big sister.
Did she want to turn too?
Yes. She also wanted to play her piano. Two hippos, one rhino, and a piano on your trunk are very, very heavy.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No.
This is a long, crazy story. Gerald, how did you break your trunk?
Well, I was so proud of what I had done that I ran to tell my very best friend about it. But I tripped and fell. Womp. And broke my trunk.
You broke your trunk running to tell me your story? That is a crazy story. That is a funny story. I want to tell someone your crazy story.
Womp.
Piggie, what happened to your snout? It is a long, crazy story. The end.